Hello everybody, I am Manoj Kumar Pradhan, teacher in Social Studies. On behalf of Odisha Adarsha Vidyalaya Sangathan, Bhubaneswar, Odisha, I welcome all to this video series of Social Science. Today we will continue the video from Class 10, Geography, Chapter 3. The topic is water resource. We already completed the part 3. Now we will starting from the part 4 video of this topic. In this video, we will discuss the water harvesting system of India. So let's start the topic. Water resource. Key points to be discussed. In this video, we will discuss about 3 key points. First one is rainwater harvesting. In this session, we know the water harvesting system of India and its importance. Rainwater harvesting in different part of India. In our second key points, we will understand the process of rainwater harvesting system in the different region of India and especially in the Rajasthan. In our third key points, bamboo drip irrigation system. In this session, we get information regarding bamboo drip irrigation system in Meghalaya. So first, rainwater harvesting. The accumulation of water from rain is known as the water harvesting. Importance of rainwater harvesting. We already know that some disadvantage and rising resistance against the multi-purpose project. Water harvesting system is a good alternative both socio-economically and environmentally. So rainwater harvesting reduces pressure on existing water resource. It helps to maintain the balance of fresh water in the world. It is cheap source for water supply. It helps recharging groundwater. It helps to reduce soil degradation. With the depth knowledge and wide ranging of technique, rainwater, groundwater, river water and flood water were harvested in different regions of India. Rainwater harvesting in different parts of India. Here we will discuss about rainwater harvesting system in different parts of India. Rainwater harvesting in Bengal. In a flood plain of Bengal, people developed inundation channel to irrigate their field. So these are the inundation channel. Look at the slide how the flood water was channelized to the field through inundation channel. Traditional method of water harvesting in western Himalaya. People built diversion channels called the gools or cools for irrigation purpose or agriculture in hills and mountainous region of western Himalaya. On the flat land or hilltop, they made a storage tank, then they made channels to supply the water from hilltop to lower area, and these channels are called cools and gools in western Himalaya. Rainwater harvesting in Rajasthan. In arid and semi-arid region, agricultural fields were converted into rain-fed storage structure. Examples, Khadins in Jaisalmer and Johors in the other part of the Rajasthan. They made a tank to store the rainwater from catchment area. Then the lower area were moistened by this water. Rainwater harvesting in Rajasthan. Rooftop rainwater harvesting was commonly practiced to store drinking water in Rajasthan. This is the image of rooftop rainwater harvesting. In semi-arid and arid region of Rajasthan, particularly in Bikaner, Phalodi and Badmer, all the houses had underground tanks or tankas built inside the house for storing drinking water. Size of the tank. The tank could be as large as big room. One household in Phalodi has a tank that was 6.1 meter deep, 4.24 meter long and 2.44 meter wide. Look at the tank size. Process of rainwater harvesting in Rajasthan. The tankas were built inside the main house or the courtyard. They were connected to the sloping roof of the house through a pipe. Rain falling on the rooftop would travel down the pipe and store it in the underground tankas. The first spell of rain was not collected and used to clean the roofs and the pipes. Then the next subsequent shower were collected. The rainwater can be stored in the tanks till the next rainfall. They constructed underground room adjoining the tanka to keep the room cool. Some facts of rainwater harvesting in Rajasthan. The stored rainwater is a reliable source of drinking water in summer season. Rainwater or polar pani is considered the purest form of natural water in this part. Today, rainwater harvesting practices decline due to plenty of water is available by Indira Gandhi Canal. Some houses still maintain the tankas because they don't like the taste of the tap water. Rainwater harvesting in Mysore, Karnataka. This is the another case study of a rainwater harvesting system. Gendathur, a remote backward village in Mysore, Karnataka. In this village, people have installed a rainwater harvesting system to meet their water need. Nearly 200 households have adopted this system. Gendathur receive an annual precipitation of 1000 millimeter. With 80% of collection and about 10 fillings, every house can collect and use about 50,000 liters of water annually. From the 200 houses, the net amount of rainwater harvested 1 lakh liters annually. Rainwater harvesting in Shillong, Meghalaya. Rooftop rainwater harvesting is the most common practice in Shillong. Shillong is situated 55 km distance from Cherrapunji and Mausinram, which receive the highest rainfall in the world. Despite the nearest to rainfall place, the state capital Shillong face acute shortage of water. Nearly every household in the city has a rooftop rainwater harvesting structure. Nearly 15 to 25% of the total water requirement of the household comes from rooftop water harvesting. Remember this, Tamil Nadu is the first state in India which has made a rooftop rainwater harvesting structure compulsory to all the houses across the state. These are legal provision to punish the defaulter. Bamboo drip irrigation system. In Meghalaya, a 200 years old system of tapping stream and spring water by using bamboo pipe is prevalent. About 8 to 20 liters of water enter the bamboo pipe system, get transported over 100 of meters and finally reduced to 20 to 80 drops per minute at the site of the plant. Look at these images. These are the system of a traditional method like bamboo drip irrigation system, and these bamboo drip irrigation system are prevalent in Meghalaya. Some important questions. Which state has made rooftop rainwater harvesting structure compulsory? 1 mark. Mention the name of a diversion channel in Western Himalaya. 1 mark. Bamboo drip irrigation is common in the state of Dash. 1 mark. Mention any 3 importance of rainwater harvesting. 3 mark. Discuss how rainwater harvesting in semi-arid region of Rajasthan is carried out. 5 marks. Try to solve all the questions. I already covered this answer in my slides. Thank you so much for watching this video.